Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sheikha. If you are interested in this look and you want to see how I did it, well, I'm gonna brown my eyelids using concealer. And now I'm gonna set it with these two shades, Wax Paper and Universal Delight. Gonna use these two shades from the same palette as my transition shades all over the crease. And now with the smaller blending brush I'm gonna use after these and place it here and blend it a little bit to the other shades. And now I'm gonna use these two shades, Cocoa and Black Truffle from HudaBeauty Rose Gold palette in the outer corner. I'm going back to Aftertaste and blending it really well. And to clean under my eyebrows, I'm gonna use Wax Paper and Universal Delight. Going back to the transition shades. And now I'm gonna use Liquid Center using a flat brush. Going back to the black and the brown. And now I'm using Almost Burnt and apply it to the inner corner and a little bit to the center. And now I'm doing my eyeliner. You can see what I'm doing here, so I'm gonna speed it up. And here I'm basically applying the same shades that I applied before. And this is the final look.